as you guys know, we are here to tell you a story. So, has anyone heard the story of Little Red Riding Hood?
Yes.
Have you? Let me see. My big book here, there it is, Little Red Riding Hood. How many people have heard the story? Raise your hand. How many people have heard the story? A lot of you. Okay, cool. Well, this is going to be a totally different story, I guarantee you. Something that's going to be remembered by you for years and years to come. So, are you ready to hear the story?
Yeah!
All right, well, let's begin. You're supposed to be a very ugly dude, foaming by the mouth, yellow-eyed, big-eared wolf.
Well, first of all, I am not a dude. Second of all, you say big, I'm fat. Third of all, who told you that?
Grandma.
Are you a little woman?
Grandpa, look at my mustache.
All right, do you have a granddaughter that's like a cat or whatever?
Yeah. She's my grandkid.
Okay, so can I come in for a minute?
Well, hold up there, pusher. Listen, you got some boogers in your nose. You got some boogers in your nose.
You know, you're making this plan very easy for me to just tie you up.
Why would you want to tie me? Hey, what's that? Is that a shopping mall behind?
Wait, what?
Oh, that's right. Can't get me. What? I have a chicken, and I'm not afraid to use it. You get away from my grandkids. Everyone, round of applause for Grandpa Willie. He said